Welcome to another system test with the Signal 1 safety vocal smoke alarm. I'm actually going to put it under the covers because I don't feel like blaring the house again, so, let's go. I don't even...
Low battery.
What in the world? Why are these batteries so... Yeah, I don't care. Okay, anyway, let's take this off the mounting bracket. Alright, here we go.
May I have your attention, please? A fire emergency has been reported in this house. Please evacuate this house immediately. I repeat, a fire emergency has been reported in this house.
Okay, time to put on the covers. I don't feel like blaring the house again. So yeah, that's the Signal 1 safety vocal smoke alarm, and yeah, that's test 2.